Anybody want to help here? Hey, anyone of you want to help out here?
Here. No, Zach. Holler at Mom because she likes the parachute. That's why I got these for her.
Alright, so where do you want to light these off?
We don't know, line them off.
What? I know.
Just like this.
Oh, yeah.
It's got the 7 color changing flares, so you need to watch out for the flares, but I think we should have a parachute for it.
No thanks.
That's cheap, yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, wait, oh, there's the fuse.
You might want to, hold on.
Ready?
Stick your wick in.
No.
Good idea.
Is the plastic off?
Oh,
Mom!
What happened?
It's gonna be parachute.
And I'm gonna get recording.
All of them.
Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Alright, make a run for it, everyone. Oh, pretty. Now look at this guy go.
Alright, gift package. Care package.
That looks fun.
Kill streak.
Hey, oh, he almost got it. Oh, here they come. Oh, he got one. The other's down there. Yeah. The pink thing, if you could see it. Where are the others? Dang, we left a few marks.
Set these on fire.
What else we got? What you got there?
Oh, this was supposed to be the flare.
The flare?
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah?
Dang.
Or it's a weight, isn't it?
Huh?
Oh, it was a weight.
Take a good look. Whoa! Holy cow!
Here, hold on to this.
Oh, another thing! What exactly is that? Another amazing? Look out. Where'd it go?
There it ain't.
Oh, I landed over here.
Let me see a cup can. Is it full?
Got ants all over it. Well, this ought to kill the ants then.
Hey, Dustin.
This ought to kill those ants. This is how you get rid of ants in style. Right? Oh, epic! Whoa. Should do that again.
Find like a birdhouse and blow up or something.
Did you hear that? Hey, will that still go in water?
It did. It's full.
That's water in there?
Full. It's Coke.
But will it go if it's water?
Yeah. Yeah, it goes anything. Any liquid. The green fuses will go in liquid like that.
Oh, my one about finished with...
that.
Yeah, I know.
You got it under the fucking... That's what you fucking do.
Mm. Is it lighting? Now it is! That's correct.
Dude, that's gonna go flying shit.
Holy cow!
Where'd that go? I didn't
On the way by then! Oh, hey, what are these guys doing? pyramid. Get back.
Yeah, I don't know what it does.
It's probably gonna spin and flare and hit one of us in the face. Oh, that was impressive.
Look out, it's a UFO!
That was impressive. And boom, hit your car.
Yeah.
I swear we're gonna hit one of them.
Get inside. Careful, it's hot. Oh, you're gonna keep that as a souvenir. Okay, so what have we got now? What have we got now? What have we got now?
I have no idea.
Okay, then I'll do the... What?
I'm open-minded a little bit.
Alright, I'll make a video of what we got here.
Haven't had enough yet?
Excuse me, Sandra. Trying to make it good.
Show Tanner real quick.
One in the world. Big one. Oh, I didn't even notice that this should start to like fall on me.
Yeah, I get all the watermelon.
Yeah, my throat started like getting hotter and hotter and started. Hey, hey, Tristan. Excuse me.
Come on, girl.
Yeah, we also got Counter-Strike stuff. We got some of them left for. Playing our balls.
Still there.
Oh, dang!
Yeah.
I say we should wrap it around the can.
Alright, this is far enough away from cars tonight. Yeah.
Why not just wrap it around the can for something extra epic? We could, right?
You gotta get on the top of it. You might make it go out. It's only the first one's got the green wick. Alright. Let's do them. Just set it next to it.
How about we set it on top? Why not set it on top? Get back. 3, 2, 1, go. I thought. What? What? It blew away a bit. It's smoking a bit.
That was it, man. I should have bought a bigger one. I usually... Oh, there's one that blown up.
Where?
Right here. That'll be a fast one, man. You like that, and you hit blow. It's like that.
Hey, put that on top of this.
It's actually the car, though. Is it gonna go straight up?
Oh, shoot.
It's going right for fucking Sam's car, man.
Dude, I've seen the best smoking eggs on YouTube today.